Easy Lift Equipment now offers an interchangeable battery option for our large line of manual push-around units which feature DC-powered lift, clamp, or rotation functions for both drum and roll handling applications. This feature is designed to minimize downtime by eliminating the need to take a unit out of production for charging purposes, which can take anywhere from 6 to 8 hours and negatively impact productivity. Units that come standard with a closable DC cabinet contain two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries as well as an internal charger, hydraulic lift motor, master disconnect switch, and a gauge-type battery discharge indicator. To charge a standard DC cabinet, a polarized heavy-gauge extension cord is required, which connects the unit to a wall outlet. It should be noted that the equipment should not be operated while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so can cause damage to the equipment. As mentioned, charging times range between 6 and 8 hours. The charger has separate indicators for each battery which turn green once complete to ensure a full charge. However, for multi-shift operations or high-volume applications, Easy Lift Equipment now offers an interchangeable battery option. Unlike the standard DC cabinet, the interchangeable battery DC cabinet does not include an internal charger, but instead features two Anderson SB175 connectors mounted within the DC box, as seen here. This allows the operator to easily disconnect two low-charge batteries and replace them with two fully charged batteries. This option requires the purchase of a second set of 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries and includes a separate external battery charger. The battery charger plugs directly into a standard wall outlet and does not require an additional extension cord. Both the interchangeable batteries as well as the separate charger are supplied with the necessary battery cables and Anderson SB175 connectors for quick and easy compatibility. The low-powered batteries are then connected to the external battery charger to prevent equipment downtime and increase overall productivity. The entire interchangeable battery process will be shown here in real time. To begin, first ensure that the foot floor lock is engaged. Then, using the master disconnect switch, turn the DC cabinet off. Next, open the DC cabinet and remove the battery bracket wing nut. This process does not require any additional tools. Remove the battery bracket. Once the wing nut and battery bracket have been fully removed, disconnect both battery cables from the SB175 connectors inside the DC cabinet. Then remove both low-powered batteries from the battery compartment, as seen here. Disconnect the fully charged batteries from the external battery charger and connect the low-powered batteries to the charger to begin the 6 to 8 hour charging process. The fully charged batteries should then be placed inside the DC cabinet, as seen here. It is recommended to position the battery terminals toward the outside of the cabinet and away from each other when loading them into the battery compartment. The battery cables provide additional reach, and the Anderson SB175 connectors are designed to prevent the operator from incorrectly plugging in the battery cables. Now that the fully charged batteries have been installed and connected, reinsert the battery bracket and secure it in place using the supplied wing nut. Close the DC cabinet, secure the door latch, and turn the master disconnect switch to the on position. If the batteries had been properly charged, the battery discharge indicator will now show the equipment as being fully charged and ready to use at this time. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum or roll handling project, please contact us today.